Alright, so today we got a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.7 liter. Among many complaints and issues with it, the biggest thing was the driver window, passenger window, mirrors, and locks did not work on the master switch. Tried swapping the master switch with one out of a 2006 Jeep Commander, which is compatible with this. The switch didn't work in the Jeep, but the original Grand Cherokee switch in the Commander operated as it should, everything in the Commander, therefore ruling out a master switch. Another reason I thought it was the master switch is because the window switch on the passenger door rolled the window up and down. Another concern is that the sunroof drain tubes were clogged and the floors were wet. As you can see, we had some corroded wires, such as this one. It's not focusing real well, but if you can see the green on the wire, you know, that's corrosion. There we go. All that's garbage. It all fell apart. Floors are soaked on both sides. So, what you do for that fix, this is kind of a two-in-one sort of, I guess, is this is the drainage tube, that's the grommet. You take both of them out. If it's not out already, chances are you'll find the hole in the grommet or the hose or both are clogged up with shit. So to fix that, you can open the sunroof, pour some hot water down the tube from up there, and blow it out with some air. Clean it out real good, put it back together, then clean your floors up. And also, because of all the electrical shit not working, there's all this wiring here. I had to cut out a big section of wire here. This blue wire is wire that I put in to connect these two to these two right here. That's another one. That's another one. That's another one. A bunch of wires. So, this is a known problem with not just Grand Cherokees, but a few Chrysler products. I'm sure that it's a problem with other vehicles out there, but if you start having a bunch of electrical issues, and your floors are wet, first thing I would do is take the kick panel out here. There's another panel that goes here. And then pull your carpet and your insulation back. And find all this wiring. Like this bundle right here goes right there in the door. So out of this bundle, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 wires. So that's enough right there for windows to not work, mirrors, door locks, shit like that. Also have a low oil pressure light coming on, but the engine runs and sounds great. It has good oil pressure and it's got fresh oil and a filter in it. When I was backing this vehicle up out of its parking spot to bring it in my bay, the check engine light, ABS light, brake light, and airbag light came on, and then I put it in drive and went forward and they all went away. So more electrical problems. Now, general rule of thumb, when you have electrical problems, I mean, you want to check fuses and stuff first, which I did, because a lot of times that's the issue. You don't really want to go digging into wiring, you know, right off Jump Street, because that's usually not the problem, knock on wood. Knock on rubber. No, there's no wood here. But yeah, with something like this, you have multiple electrical issues. You got a vehicle with wiring that runs through the car like this does under the carpet. Your floors are soaking wet. You know, that's usually a good place to start in that instance. Anyway, hope this was helpful for somebody out there.